Big news. I can't process it. Like, I still cannot process it. Bonjour, mes amis, and bienvenue to a new vlog. C'est moi, Jessie, your resident francophile, and here on Cappuccinos and Consignment, I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. S'il vous plaît, take a moment to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow me over on Insta. I have a blog, and I am new to TikTok. I am coming to you in the future past. Today is August the 1st, I believe, and it is very late at night. I am typically asleep by now, but I've been really trying to catch up on lost time. I started this vlog about 2 weeks ago, shortly thereafter returning from Paris. If you did not see my London and Paris vlog, check that out after this. So yeah, just life started lifing. I had some family emergencies. I had my own personal things going on that had me just really take some time away from social media. I did a quick post here last week sharing with mes amis that I would not be posting a vlog, and as always, you all are so supportive. I cannot thank you enough. I did a bit of vlogging throughout this time, well, starting about 2 weeks ago, and then my life was just in shambles, but I did not do a lot of talking and a lot of just engaging with the camera as I typically do. So if this is your first time watching my weekly vlog, do not base whether you stick around on this. I really just want to get this posted because I really tried, even though I was going through so much, but there was no way I could get in front of the camera. So it is a lot of just random scenes. Whenever I went out of the house, like pried myself out of bed, I did try to record. It started off at Dior. I will show you all that. The purse, the book tote that I picked up in Paris, the letters started unraveling and I really freaked out. So I went to a local Dior and had the bag service, but you all will see that. And then, yeah, things just kind of fell apart. I guess that was like a warning sign that things were about to unravel in my life. It's funny now, I could laugh, but yeah, so again, I thank you all so much for your love and support. I'll insert a few reels. I did like a semi unboxing over on Insta of my new YSL I Care tote. So in love. That was another purchase that I made while in Paris. And yeah, I feel like that's it. There's more, but we'll catch up another time because it is Monday. I want to have this vlog posted Tuesday. Tomorrow I have some medical appointments and just some self-care. I want to go get a mani-pedi. I still have the same nails from Paris and do those things, but that will be on the next vlog. I just wanted to hop on and officially welcome you all to the vlog. And again, just thank you all so much. Big news. I hit 100K on Insta and I can't process it. Like, I still cannot process it. So today was just filled with a lot of admin things, me trying to map out what's next, me brands, and it was just a lot, but we'll catch up on that another time. I am planning to do a Q&A sometime this week over on Insta. So if you are not following me there, please do. And again, I just thank you all so much for your love and support. So let's get into this very random vlog. But I warned you. Alrighty, ciao for now. Bonjour, mes amis, and bienvenue to a new weekly vlog. C'est moi, Jessie, your resident francophile, and here on Cappuccinos and Consignment, I focus on the lifestyle, travel, and finance. S'il vous plaît, take a moment to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow me over on Insta. I have a blog, and I have just started a TikTok. Oh, this is odd. I stopped, and it's a bunch of people staring. So I am heading to Dior. If you watched my last vlog, if not, please do. I went to Paris, and I purchased a book tote. The letters on the totes have already started like fraying, and Yeah, no, that's unacceptable. It has been a week. So I'm about to head into Dior now to see what can be done. And I'll catch up with you all in a sec. Alrighty, ciao for now.
I don't think that's the issue. So we're going to try this first with our seamstress.
Got it.
I'm going to go up and see if she's free right now. We can take a look.
Oh, there's one in-house.
Oh, yes. So spoiled. Flowers. It's the honey that they make.
It's really good.
Is it Campbell?
Melon. But it's savory, I believe. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, I know you are not about to stand up. Okay.
Yes, it is.
And she's usually in here running up and down, tearing up. Oh, this is done.
Those bitter ones outside of me.
Yeah.
Oh, she said 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Did you hear that too?
I heard it.
Those bitter ones outside of me.
Yeah.
Oh, she said 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Bonjour, mes amis. It is Tuesday morning and I am heading out. I did not think this through because I wanted to insert the OOTD that I just recorded, but I won't be able to because I'm not going to edit that until I'm like at the doctor's office. So I'll insert like a short at some point this week, but this is the dress. Actually, I got the dress in this vlog, so you will have seen it at the Catwalk Boutique, but you hear baby Chena yelling. This week again, merci beaucoup for just joining me during this very, very weird time, but I need to run, so I will see. I didn't even show you all the scarf. I got the big Dior scarf that I tried on as well. We'll catch up next vlog, but I really need to go. So I will see you all next week or in a few minutes if you're on Insta. Alrighty, ciao for now.